Some of the terms in a simple way are as follows. Zygote is a meiotic prophase stage where chromosome pairs. Zygote is the cell by fusion of gametes. Xylem is the conducting tissue for water and nutrients. Xerophytic are the plants live under dry soil conditions. Xenia is the effect of pollen on androsperm or embryo. Virus is the nucleic acid in protein cover. Virulence, capacity of the pathogen to overcome the defense of host. Vestigial is the organ without a purpose. Central, interior or inner place of an organ. Vector is an agent for transfer of a gene. Variety blend is the mechanical mixture of two or more varieties. Variate, single observation. Univalent, unpaired chromosome. Uniculum is the plant with one shoot on. Uniculm, CULM, plant with one shoot. Trivalent is the pair of three homologous chromosomes. Tripig is pollen dispersal mechanism in alfalfa. Trichome, Trichome, leaf hair arise from epidermis. Tillers, secondary stem in grasses arises from basal node, produce reproductive organs. Susceptible, when host cannot suppress pathogen. Succulent, Succulent, juicy. Strain, Strain, group of similar individuals in a variety. Stover, dried corn. Storm proof, cotton in which fiber held tightly with ball. Stolen, trailing stem capable of having root shoot from its node. Sterility, failure to complete fertilization. Sheath is the tubular envelope under lower part of leaf in grasses. Set is the stem nodes with bud and root in sugarcane. Sessile, without stalk. Succulum is the sheath covering embryo in grasses. Resistant means when host suppress pathogen. Ramos, RAMOSC. Inflorescence with lateral buds. Rachila, secondary axis. Rachis, central axis of sugarcane. Rachila, Rachis, Rachila is the secondary axis, where rachis is the central axis of inflorescence in cereal crops. Plumule, Plumule, is the growing point of embryo. Placent, Placent, is the ovary point, bears ovule. Photorespiration is the respiration due to photo mean light found in C3 plants. Photosynthesis, transfer of CO2 and H2O into carbohydrates mean food. Phloem is the conductive tissue to transfer photosynthetic products to other parts of plants. Now pedicel and peduncle. PEDICLE. Pedicle is the single flower stalk, whereas peduncle, PEDUNCLE, is the inflorescence stalk. Pachydine is the double thread stage of meiosis. Node is the place on stem bare leaf. Mesophyll is the photosynthetic parenchyma of leaf blade. Lamina, LAMINA, is the blade or extended part of leaf. Immune is the free from attack of given pathogen. Host is the organism attacked by pathogen. Harvest index, grain weight percentage of field above ground, dry weight at maturity. Glume is two bracts found at the base of grasses. Total heredity material of a species is called germplasm. Genetic load. Deleterious, Deleterious. Deleterious means harmful. Harmful alleles in population. Fruit is the seed bearing product of plant, whereas forage are the plants grown for feed. Stamen, pistil, and lodicules enclosed in lemma and palea. Feed, plant product consumed by livestock. Escape, susceptible plant avoiding pathogen, whereas enzyme is the product of a gene to regulate a function. Drift, changes in gene frequency in a population. Dorsal, back or outer surface. Cultivar, cultivated variety. Culm is the stem of grasses. Code is the triplet sequence of bases in DNA for amino acid. Cob is the central axis of an ear of corn. Chimera, Chiemara, individual composed of cells of two or more genotypes. Vector is the gene's expression in phenotype. Grain as of a grasses are called caryopsis. Outer layer of cereals are called bran, Bran. Blade is the extended portion of leaf. Apomixis is the reproduction from unfertilized egg or somatic cells of an egg. An embryo developed from antipodal cells or synergid cells. This type of apomixis is called apogamy. And when embryo sac develops from vegetative cells of ovule, this type of apomixis is called apospory. An isoploid is the mixture of diploid, triploid, and tetraploid. Albino, mutant plant with chlorophyll deficiency is called albino. Adaxial, towards axis. Acropetal, towards apex. Abortive, Abortive, abortive means defective.